Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a scientist. He was born in March 14, 1879 at Ulm, Germany. His parents were Hermann and Pauline Einstein. Albert had a sister named Maja. He spent most of his childhood in Munich, Germany. When Albert was 5 years old, his father bought him a compass. His curious mind immediately started trying to work out why the needle of the compass always points north. Albert liked to repeat words and sentences until he was 7. He didn't learn to read until he was 9. His parents were worried that he was not smart. Albert's father had an electronics company. He learned a lot about science and electronics from his father. He liked maths and science. Although Albert loved learning, yet he didn't like to go to school. He went to school in Germany. He did not like lessons in grammar school as he was forced to learn. When Albert was about 10 years old, a friend gave him a whole heap of books on science, mathematics, and philosophy. He loved geometry and algebra. Nobody taught him these subjects. He did it all by himself. When Albert turned 15, he left school without any degree. Albert later went to a school in Switzerland. He attended the Polytechnic Academy in Zurich. When Albert was young, he didn't like the violin at all. But when he heard Mozart's music at the age of 13, he started to love playing the violin and the piano. By the age of 16 years, Albert had published his first scientific paper. He felt very happy. His ambition was to obtain the diploma of a subject teacher for mathematics and physics. As a young man, Albert moved back to Bern, Germany. There, he worked in the patent office. He looked into other people's inventions. While he was there, he worked on his own discoveries and found out many things. One of Albert's favorite things was to head out onto the lake in a boat. He would take his notebook with him to think and write everything down. He couldn't swim, but he carried on sailing throughout his life. Albert lived in Germany during World War I, but he didn't believe in war. He was a Jew. He went off from the Nazis in Germany. The Nazis didn't like the Jews. He immigrated to the United States before World War II. Albert became a US citizen. He taught in Princeton University. He was an absent-minded professor. He was disorganized. He forgot appointments, and his lectures were hard to follow. He had uncombed hair and never wore socks. Even at dinners, he went all untidy with crumpled clothes. Albert Einstein made many discoveries as a scientist. His most famous discovery is theory of relativity. The equation for the theory is E equals to mc square. This formula explains how energy is related to mass. It tells that even the smallest amount of mass can be turned into a huge amount of energy. After this theory was proved right, Albert became famous. He also came up with the concept that light is made up of particles called photons. Together with another scientist, Satyendra Bose, Albert discovered another state of matter. Today, this discovery is used in lasers and superconductors. Albert loved to use his imagination. He said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited. Imagination encircles the entire world." Albert wrote many papers, particularly on quantum physics. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He died on April 18, 1955, when he was 76 years old. Albert Einstein has been the most famous scientist of all time. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.